Want to send professional emails using Mailchimp? In this beginner-friendly tutorial, I will walk you through how to create and send your first email campaign in under 8 minutes. Let's get started. First of all, go to mailchimp.com and sign up for a free account. Click on sign up button, then click buy now or request demo. Enter your full name, phone number, email address, company website, then click send. Once you are in, you will land on the dashboard where you can manage contracts, campaigns, and automations. Now add your email list. Go to Audience tab from Dashboard, then click Add Contracts. You can upload a CSV file or manually enter names and emails. Make sure your contracts have opted in so you comply with anti-spam laws. Next, let's create a new campaign. Click Create, then Email. Give your campaign a name. This is just for internal tracking and click Begin. Set the recipient list by choosing your audience. Enter the sender name and email address. Use your business email for best delivery. Write a catchy subject line and optional preview text to boost open rates. Now it's time to design your email. Choose a pre-made template to or start from scratch. Use Mailchimp's drag and drop editor to add a logo, headline text, product images, buttons with links. You can also change fonts, colors, and spacing to match your brand. Always preview your email before sending. Click Preview and Test to check how it looks on desktop and mobile. You can also send a test email to yourself or your team. If everything looks good, hit the send button to launch the email right away or choose schedule to send it later. Mailchimp even suggests the best time for engagement based on your list. After sending, go back to the Campaigns tab, then click View Report or go to Analytics tab from here. Here you will see open rates, click-through rates, and top links clicked. Use this data to improve future emails. Personalize with merge tags like fname. Use one clear CTA or call to action. Keep subject lines short and engaging. Add alt text to all images. Don't forget to include unsubscribe links. Mailchimp does this for you. Pros of using Mailchimp. User-friendly interface, drag and drop email builder makes it beginner friendly. Free plan available. Get for small businesses or beginners with up to 500 contracts. Built-in templates, beautiful pre-designed templates ready to customize. Automation features, set up welcome, emails, follow-ups, and abundant card reminders. Analytics and reports track open rates, click rates, and conversions easily. Integrated sign-up forms create forms to collect subscribers directly from your website or landing page. A/B testing test subject lines, content, and send times for better performance. Cons of using MailChimp. Price increases with list size. Paid plans can get expensive as your contact list grows. Limited automation on free plan. Advanced automation and features like customer journeys are only available in paid tiers. Strict account suspension policies. Your account may be paused if you have too many unsubscribes or spam reports. Template customization limitations. Full design flexibility is limited compared to some competitors. Complex navigation for beginners, multiple menus and settings might overwhelm first-time users. Key features Key features of Mailchimp. Drag and drop email builder. Create professional emails with no coding skills. Audience management tools. Segment your audience by behavior, tag or activity. Pre-built automations. Welcome emails. Re-engagement flows. Birthday emails, etc. Analytics dashboard. Detailed metrics for open rates, clicks, device types, and geography. Integration with e-commerce platforms, connect with Shopify, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, and more. Landing page and sign up for builder. Capture leads without needing a website. A/B testing tools. Optimize emails by testing different versions. Mobile optimization, responsive designs, and mobile previews built in. So that's how you send an email with MailChimp in 2025. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and comment below if you want a full tutorial on automation sign up forms or e-commerce emails. Thanks for watching.